Hello and welcome aboard Crafter Sapiens. It's me Samira. So Father's Day is just a couple of days away and here I have a very easy and practical Father's Day gift idea for you. For making this, these are the things that you'll need: ivory sheet, some black chart paper, plastic lid, pencil, glue and scissors. Alright, let's begin. First we'll take a rectangular piece of ivory sheet. And now we'll roll it into a cone, just like the Muri Mixture Wala does it on the street. Once it's perfectly rolled into a cone, take your spectacles, that is your father's spectacles, and check if it is fitting inside the cone. And if it is of the perfect size, then you can stick the end using glue. Or you can make the cone a little tight or loose depending on the size of the spectacles. Once the cone is dry, we are going to make the base of the cone even. First I've drawn a reference line using a pencil at the bottom of the cone and I've cut the excess portion at the bottom using a scissors. We are using ivory sheet here because ivory sheet is very thick and it can hold the weight of the spectacles. If you want, you can also use a piece of cardboard, roll it into a cone and paint it in your favorite color. And look, we have a perfect cone here. I've stuffed some newspaper inside the cone to make it a bit more stable. To make the nose, I have cut a triangle which was folded into half from the same ivory sheet and I have stuck it carefully onto the cone. Now we need to cover the nose. We don't want it to be left open. For that I have taken another triangular piece and have stuck it at the bottom. This triangular piece is curved at the bottom if you can observe. Alright, now is the fun part. It's time to stick the moustache onto the cone. Let me know in the comments what this figure reminds you of. It reminds me of Chacha Chowdhury from Tinkle Comics. Now for making the base of the spectacle holder, I've taken a plastic lid. You can take anything that's around you at home. And that's it. Here's a last minute gift idea for your dad that can be done under 10 minutes. Make sure you give this video a like if you liked this video and comment down below. Let me know what you think of this DIY. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button right beside it so that you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. Alright guys, I'll see you very soon. Have a happy weekend. Bye bye.